Living in Miami Beach means waking up to breathtaking waterfront views, sparkling water, and vibrant sunsets. If you're fortunate enough to own a waterfront home, your windows should highlight that view, not limit it. That's why picture windows have become a popular choice for homeowners who want to maximize both beauty and performance. Designed with large, fixed panes of glass and minimal framing, picture windows offer a clean, unobstructed view that perfectly complements waterfront living in Miami Beach. Uninterrupted ocean and bay views. The biggest advantage of picture windows is their expansive glass surface. Unlike traditional windows with grids or multiple moving panels, picture windows are fixed and streamlined. This design creates a wide, uninterrupted view of the outdoors. For waterfront homes in Miami Beach, that means you can fully enjoy panoramic ocean views, passing boats, and colorful sunsets from the comfort of your living room. Your window essentially becomes a living work of art, framing the water like a beautiful, ever-changing landscape. Maximizing natural light. Waterfront properties naturally benefit from open views and abundant sunlight. Picture windows are ideal for bringing that light into your home. Because they are designed with minimal framing, they allow more natural light to enter compared to many other window styles. This creates a bright, airy atmosphere that enhances the open, coastal feel of your home. More natural light can also reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, contributing to a more energy-efficient household. Energy efficiency in a warm climate. While Miami Beach is known for sunshine, managing heat gain is crucial. Large windows must be designed to handle the intense Florida sun without compromising indoor comfort. Modern picture windows are available with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, argon gas fills, and low emissivity coatings. These technologies help reflect infrared heat while still allowing visible light to pass through. The result is a bright interior with reduced solar heat gain, helping your air conditioning system work more efficiently and keeping cooling costs under control. Impact resistance and storm protection. Waterfront homes in Miami Beach must also be prepared for hurricane season. Picture windows can be manufactured with impact-resistant laminated glass designed to withstand flying debris and high winds. Impact-rated picture windows provide peace of mind during severe weather. Even if struck by debris, the laminated glass is engineered to stay intact, helping protect your home's interior and maintain structural integrity. By combining beauty with durability, impact-resistant picture windows are well suited for coastal properties. Sleek, modern coastal-style picture windows align perfectly with the clean, contemporary aesthetic often found in Miami Beach homes. Their minimalist design enhances modern architecture and complements open floor plans. They pair beautifully with sliding glass doors and outdoor living spaces, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor environments. The result is a cohesive design that feels expansive and sophisticated. With customizable frame materials and finishes, you can tailor your picture windows to match your home's architectural style while maintaining that sleek coastal look. Low maintenance and long-term value. Because picture windows do not open, they have fewer moving parts and require less maintenance than operable window styles. This makes them a practical option for busy homeowners. High-quality materials resist corrosion and wear from salt air exposure, an important consideration for waterfront properties in Miami Beach. In addition to everyday benefits, upgrading to modern picture windows can enhance your home's market appeal. Waterfront buyers prioritize views, energy efficiency, and storm protection, all of which picture windows deliver. Elevate your waterfront living experience. If you own a waterfront home in Miami Beach, your windows should do more than provide basic functionality. They should elevate your living experience. Picture windows offer stunning views, natural light, energy efficiency, and impact resistance, making them an ideal choice for coastal living. With professional installation and high-performance materials, they transform your home into a brighter, more comfortable space that truly showcases the beauty just beyond your walls.